Hi friends, I know few of our subscribers trying to submit two fake certificate. Okay, for first 2 years one fake certificate and second 2 years another fake certificate. Submitting one company fake certificate is not perfect way in the big MNCs, but submitting two companies organization even two times. Okay, they are submitting the two fake companies certificate in company A. When they try to switch in different company, they will try to switch in B company also. They are submitting two companies fake certificate two times. Okay, first time there might be a chance they did the background verification in manual way, but now people are doing the verification, you know that, right? Just sitting in front of laptop, they can identify each and every parameters. Okay, be careful, always try to submit the proper documents. Okay, if you face any background verification related problem, you can approach this channel. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.